Marcus 夫妇的房屋位于苏黎世，老旧的车库门一直是他们的一个烦恼。经邻居推荐，他们找到了一家名叫 CASP 的车库门公司后，决定换一扇新的车库门。紧接着，他们就拜访了这家公司。
Hi, welcome to the Steelcraft showroom.
Frederick 是公司的经理，展示厅里有着各式各样的车库门。Marcus 夫妇能否找到自己中意的呢？
So am I right in saying that you guys have a wood door? You do. The wood doors were great, but now we find that they're probably rotting. There's a lot of maintenance to do with the wood doors.
木门的时代已经过了，当下正流行的材料是钢材料的门。
So steel doors have actually become a more maintenance-free, more efficient, and more economical option than wood.
Frederick 就一扇一扇地为他们夫妇介绍。
This is the new product. This particular one is the charcoal color.
深颜色的门非常吸热，这在夏天可以使用吗？
And it's actually a special coating that'll actually reflect heat.
如此一来，深颜色的车库门既可以与房屋搭配，又不用担心夏季的日晒会损坏车库门。接着 ，Frederick 介绍了一款充满现代感的车库门。
These are an all-aluminum frame door. These are very popular in new construction or contemporary homes.
而最特别的是，门的涂层是仿实木，所以这扇门既有铝材料的坚固与寿命，又拥有木头的美观。
I like this door. It's nice color. Can you tell me anything about this one?
Driving around in the city, you've seen a lot of windows. Their inserts turn yellow and they fade and they're breaking. These won't.
这些框架非常方便，可以任意拆除。如果坏了，可以随时更换。
So one thing you should know also about the Steelcraft door is that they don't use regular styrofoam. It's actually polyurethane injection in them, and that creates a very good insulation value.
Marcus 夫妇非常担心噪音的问题。以前的车库门打开关上时会有很大的噪音。
Noise probably won't be an issue because you have nylon rollers, which are not your typical steel wheel rollers, also a belt-driven opener.
这么安静的话，真的就不需要再为吵杂的开门声而烦心了。而且它还有一个特点，就是非常坚固、安全。这是因为门的两侧包装是连接起来的。
The front skin and the back skin are actually rolled in the manufacturing process so that they interlock with each other. This ensures that when they are pushed or are under stress, that the front and back skins don't separate.
I like the long panel style of this one. What kind of door is this?
This is actually the ranch panel. The ranch panel was in style 20 years ago, and it's quite back in style now.
It's actually a pretty nice door.
It's very nice.
Do you think they would be suitable for a house?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
All right, yeah. Let's go with this one.
Great.
就这样 ，Marcus 夫妇已经为家中选好了要替换的车库门。陈旧的木门已经拆除，第一层门已经铺好。而由于车库门已经拥有旧门的框架，所以安装起来速度非常快。门安装好了，接下来就到了关键的部位——弹簧。门的打开与关闭，可全都是它的作用。Frederick 提醒屋主千万不要自己动手。
The springs, first of all, are something we shouldn't touch as homeowners. You should always leave that to a professional because there's hundreds of pounds of pressure in these springs. And a door should typically rest about halfway. It should stay there. Then you know your spring tension is pretty good.
接下来就要安装 opener， 也就是门的开启器了。
Tie in your emergency pull release here in case of emergency.
如果房屋停电 ，Marcus 夫妇就可以使用这个来打开车库门。其实，如果发生停电，他们还有备用电池可以使用。
If the power goes out, you probably won't have to use that emergency release because it has a battery backup built in, and it'll open up to 20 to 30 times.
此时 ，Frederick 正在安装的是挡风雨条。除了不让雨水渗进车库外，它还有一个功能，就是防止各类小虫子爬进屋内。 仅仅半个多小时，新的车库门已经安装好了。Frederick 为了屋主可以使用起来方便，在墙上安装了一个控制设备。
It has a time display, timer to close, temperature.
Okay.
So if you actually forget your door open,
Right.
you can actually have it to close automatically after 5, 10, 15 minutes.
屋里面的遥控有了，屋外也要安装一个遥控器。
This is a 4-digit code that you enter,
Okay.
and it's very secure, and you can get in without a key.
Okay.
It's wireless, so it'll mount anywhere you want.
看到这 ，Marcus 夫妇很是满意，不过他们还是有些担心安全的问题。
So what we're going to give you here, Marcus, is the LiftMaster MyQ door monitor. Lets you know from your kitchen or from your bedroom, wherever you choose to plug this in, that your door is either closed or open. So you have a visual there also.
那么，如果 Marcus 夫妇出门在外该怎么办呢？
What LiftMaster has come up with now is something called MyQ. So now on your iPhone, you have an app called MyQ, which you've downloaded from the App Store. And all you need to do is open that, and you'll open up into this icon, which has your garage door. As you can see on the picture, it's open.
Right.
And it says right there it's been open for 34 seconds. Tells you exactly. If you want to close it, all you have to do is press the button. You'll get a visual flashing of the lights
Right.
and the beeping,
Okay.
which just warns anybody in the area that the door is about to close.
这样，即使他们出国在外，也可以监控家中的安全了。一切就绪后 ，Marcus 马上开车入库。这时 ，Frederick 又介绍了一个新功能给他。
You're able to program in these built-in HomeLink buttons to operate your garage door. You don't have to worry about losing your remotes or carrying one around. It's already built into your car.
同时 ，Frederick 还设置了一个功能，可以帮助屋主停车。
We've installed a laser pointer for you. It's called the Laser Park Assist. When you drive in, you will see this flashing red pointer on any point you desire on your dashboard or on the top of your steering wheel, and that'll let you know that that's as far as you can go and that's where you stop.
Frederick 非常喜欢新安装的车库门，而他最满意的就是这扇门与木门不同，不需要那么复杂的维护工作。
What you can do is buy a lithium grease or something from your hardware store, spray it on these rollers. You can grease the hinges in these points here
Okay.
so they don't squeak.
以后只要 Marcus 按时维护车库门的铰链，门就可以使用很长时间。
Well, thanks, Frederick, for coming out. The door looks awesome. Professional, clean, fast, everything. It's great. Awesome experience. Thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you for asking us to do your door.
Yeah.